I love unplanned exploring where very little research is done, especially when you can't get into the area you want to explore. My exploring today takes us to Taman Tasik, and surprisingly this is only about a 20-minute walk from my apartment. I also suspect that not many tourists will be heading around here. It's quite out of the city centre. As you can see right now, it is very quiet, but I suspect at the weekend it will be much busier. Seems to be quite a few residential apartments near to the park. What a view that would be. I love the sound of water and walking around amongst all this green and flowers. It's really nice. I'm gonna miss the palm trees when I go back to Europe. No smoking in the park, which is good to see. The weather today is absolutely perfect. There's a nice breeze as I'm walking around. Just sat in a nice little shaded spot. I want to create more videos on this channel, and I'm going to worry less about the quality of the video that I'm putting out, but instead just capturing everything that I discover as I'm exploring the places that I'm in. And the videos are going to be quite short, especially during the week, because I don't have a great deal of time to create and edit videos. The weekend I've got much more time. I just love it that when you walk around people are so friendly and say good morning and say hello. Well, I think this walk is coming to an end, and what a lunchtime walk it has been. Gorgeous weather, beautiful scenery. I shall definitely be back here again in the near future. Well, I am going to finish the video here for today. I hope you've enjoyed this walk around a beautiful park here in Kuala Lumpur. Didn't know it existed until I looked on Google Maps, so I'm pleased that I walked here and came and explored. And if you enjoyed this video, please do give it a thumbs up, and also leave a comment and tell me your favourite parks in Kuala Lumpur or anywhere in the world if you're not from Kuala Lumpur. If you are new to this channel, hit on that subscribe button, and everybody please click on that bell notification icon so that when I upload a new video you'll receive a notification to say I'm here in Kuala Lumpur exploring. I'll see you soon.